Question number 101. The longest underwater tunnel, 𝘘𝘶𝘶 tunnel, is located in A. England, B. Germany, C. Brazil, D. Japan. And the correct answer is D. Japan. Question number 102. The most populous metropolitan area is A. New York, B. Sydney, C. Mexico City, D. Tokyo. And the correct answer is D. Tokyo. Question number 103. The coldest region of the world is A. Siberia, B. Mason-Ram, C. Haiti, D. Siachen. And the correct answer is A. Siberia. Question number 104. The diameter of the earth at the equator is A. 12,753 kilometers, B. 14,852 kilometers, C. 13,655 kilometers, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Question number 105. The earth orbits the sun at, and the correct answer is C. 107,320 kilometers per hour. Question number 106. The sun shines vertically on the equator. A. Once a year, B. Twice a year, C. 4 times a year, D. Thrice a year. And the correct answer is B. Twice a year. Question number 107. Which of the following countries has the longest summer day? A. USA, B. Pakistan, C. France, D. Greenland. And the correct answer is C. France. Question number 108. The standard time of Pakistan is A. 3.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, B. 5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, C. 4 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time, D. 4 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. And the correct answer is B. 5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Question number 109. On which date sun rays are vertical over the Tropic of Cancer? A. March 21, B. June 21, C. September 23, D. December 22. And the correct answer is B. June 21. Question number 110. The minimum distance between the sun and the earth occurs on A. December 22, B. June 21, C. September 22, D. January 30. And the correct answer is D. January 3.